Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of Gemini. You will go to settings, here in this page. Then you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Gemini app and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your attention.